actually knows what a production designer does. What is the job of a production designer?
Yeah.
So and whenever you tell common people like layman people कि हम लोग का role क्या है, I tell them, I try to break it down into simplest of the words like set designer या art director में उनको समझ नहीं आता है, अच्छा पता नहीं क्या.
प्रोडक्शन डिजाइनर ज़्यादा समझ में नहीं आता है. आर्ट डायरेक्टर हाँ ठीक है,
थोड़ा बहुत के हाँ.
आर्ट आया तो समझ में आता है.
Let's tell our viewers what's the difference between a production designer and an art director.
Okay.
Okay, so basically production designer is somebody, so actually it's a Hollywood term. In India, very recently have we actually given the production designer the real credit. Otherwise, in India, earlier we used to function as art directors only. Matlab just building the sets. And but the job of a production designer is to concentrate on the entire look and feel of whatever is visible on the screen. So you know they have to match the costumes also in sync with the sets. So everything in general. So they have to decide the color palette, obviously in sync with the other teammates also, like DOP and all. Yeah.
You know, they visualize everything and they give it to the director, and then this is what, are you looking at something like this? Then there is a, you know, बात चलती है, मीटिंग चलती है, and they come to a point like, okay, this is the world I'm looking at.
Right.
So then comes the art director who, you know, bring it to, you know, execute the whole thing. Like, okay, फिर ये building बनाना है, तो he is more into, you know, how do I build this? What material should I build in? Build this with? क्या इसका cost क्या हो सकता है? How can we reduce the cost? So that's where the art director comes in.
So he's more
into construction, more into executing the most of things. क्या ये अगर इसका option, how do we sometimes like gold दिखाना है, तो like it's like सच में भी ला सकते हैं और fake भी ला सकते हैं. तो but our job is to make fake look real. तो वो वहाँ पे वो art director also comes into a party. How do I make it this real? What are the different materials that I can use to make it look real? How can I get closest to the gold? Because creating like red is a difficult thing. Creating gold also is a very difficult thing.
Correct.
वो gold के ऊपर designs क्या होगा, वो उसका texture क्या होगा, वो सब production designer बताएगा.
And how sometimes we convert thermocol to marble.
Yeah.
That's what that's what the art director does.
Magical hands and
So like you know, इन लोगों ने डिजाइन किया, बहुत बड़ा डिजाइन किया, इट्स ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइन, बट प्रोडक्शन का कॉस्ट रहता है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ कॉस्ट टू एनीथिंग. यू कैन इमेजिन कैसल्स, पर उसका एक कॉस्ट है. तो वो लुक नहीं, यू नो, यू कांट लूज आउट ऑन द लुक, बट येट यू नीड टू फिट दैट इनटू अ कॉस्ट. सो दैट्स वेयर लाइक वो आता है नया मटेरियल्स लेके, लाइक यू नो, यू नीड लाइक वी वर बिल्डिंग केव्स. सो देयर आर केव्स बनाने के लिए बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स है, लाइक देयर आर फाइबर्स, देयर आर पीओपी, देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बट नाउ बट द उतना पैसा नहीं अपने को करने के लिए. सो वी कम अप विथ, यू नो, थर्मोकॉल. वी क्रिएट द होल वर्ल्ड यूजिंग थर्मोकॉल बिकॉज इट इज कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव.
So okay, so she spoke a lot about the graphic designing part of it and that sort of look and feel. So we come to you, you know, who let's say is more heavy on or supervising the construction part of things or putting a set together. So what goes into that? Like, tell us about that.
So once we get a design from the production designer, or so we sit on it like a, you know, a person who's going to execute the whole thing. You need to have a thorough team to look at the design first and break it down, that how do we, you know, execute this.
Right.
There are massive designs sometimes, you know, there are, so like we come up with a bigger flow plan. So how do we, you know, execute this? So do we do in parts or do we do it completely on a, you know, a floor? So that's, we begin with that thing. Then we get into, you know, budgeting of it. What's the budget for it? Like if the budgets are going very high, we, you know, break down a budget and we go to the production. और production क्या बोलते हैं, यार ये budget आया है, तो production बोलता है नहीं, हमारे पास क्या नहीं है,
पैसा नहीं.
always.
हम हर प्रोजेक्ट इसी लाइन से शुरू करते हैं. हमें चाहिए ताजमहल, बट हमारे पास 100 रुपए.
पैसा नहीं. तो अब इसको करने का कैसे? तो even there are good directors like, okay, let's cut this. We don't require this. This is not needed. Sometimes, you know, there are things that are not needed yet it is written. Then okay, let's cut this. So that's how we come to a budget. We, you know, break down to a budget like, okay, ये budget में हो सकता है. And then we, you know, whole तामा झामा होता है. Everybody comes.
Correct.
Like we get the carpenters, we get the painters, we get the molders, and we begin from there.